Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete and clear your Amazon shopping cart. Whether you've changed your mind about a purchase or simply want to start fresh, clearing your cart is a quick and straightforward process that keeps your shopping experience organized. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your shopping features. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the cart icon, which displays how many items are currently in your cart. Click on Cart to open up your shopping cart page. This is where you'll see all the items you've added but haven't purchased yet. Once your cart page opens, you'll see a list of all your items displayed. Each item will have its own section showing the product image, name, price, and quantity options. To remove an item, simply hover your mouse over the item you want to delete. Right beside the item details, you'll notice a delete button. Go ahead and click on delete. The item will immediately be removed from your cart, and your cart total will update to reflect the change. If you have multiple items in your cart that you'd like to remove, just repeat the same process for each one. Hover over the next item, click the delete button beside it, and watch it disappear from your cart. This step-by-step approach ensures you're only removing the items you actually want to get rid of, preventing any accidental deletions. Keep in mind that once you delete an item from your cart, it's not permanently gone from Amazon. You can always search for it again and add it back if you change your mind. Amazon also has a saved for later option if you're not quite ready to delete something but want to clear it from your immediate cart view. And there you have it, a clean, empty shopping cart ready for your next Amazon shopping session. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.